fine.
Well, Mother Nature's not done. She can be cruel sometimes.
Yeah.
And she's going to be cruel again for the weekend. Look what's coming in once this front rolls all the way through. The temperatures are in the single digits for Bismarck, Fargo, International Falls, Sioux Falls, Minneapolis, St. Paul looking at 22. We are at a balmy 55 degrees Milwaukee. The record today is 57, set back all the way 1880. So far, the high today is 56 degrees. We'll have to see if we can muster up a couple more degrees, but that south wind really playing a big part in our weather today. 50 West Bend, 50 in Fond du Lac. I'm going with 58 around lunchtime. We're going to have scattered rain showers throughout the day, perhaps even a rumble of thunder, and then everything changes after the noon hour. We're going to have chances of a wintry mix rolling through as temperatures take a tumble as those winds switch more out of the northwest. A winter weather advisory is posted because of that winter weather for our western areas, Dodge, Jefferson, and Walworth counties. It starts at 1 o'clock and it'll last until 8 this evening. We're expecting possibly a little bit of snow. And the bigger problem, I think, in this forecast will be some ice. Ice accumulation could be there as well. Winter weather advisory is posted for a good chunk of the state back west and northwest. Even winter storm warnings in play. Look what's going on in the atmosphere. That surge of moisture continuing to rev up, and we're going to have those chances of scattered rain showers, I think at least until probably noon hour today, and then we'll start to switch over with that low pressure and cold front and that Arctic blast pushing through. Our southern parts of our area starting to see a couple of rain showers right now, just a couple of spotty chances right now, but you can see in Racine, Kenosha. Let's time everything out. It's all about that cold front. Once it begins to drive in, we're going to start to see that winter weather already pushing in by about the noon hour, or at least around 12. For central and even western Wisconsin. Notice 2:30, still rain for most of us, but we're starting to edge in that pink stuff. That's icing, freezing rain, some sleet, and that's going to cause some problems for the rest of the evening, overnight, for the first part of Friday before that cold air sets up shop. Rain in a mix generally for our area. Big time snow totals back towards northwestern Wisconsin where they could see 6 to 10 inches of snow. For us, the ice accumulation could get close to 1/10 of an inch. If it gets that high, tricky driving, even some power outages will be possible, and we're focusing on, and we're high alert on those impacts, I think, for icing the mix. I think the roads will continue to deteriorate for the afternoon and evening, and it's going to get very cold. Here comes the Arctic blast. That air gets very cold. Highs will go down in the 20s tomorrow. Teens for the weekend. We'll get another reinforcing shot of cold air for Tuesday, and even a clipper system on Monday that could produce a little bit of snow. Highs today around 60, 20s turn to teens for the weekend. Another shot of that cold air on Tuesday before we warm back up close to 40 for next Saturday.
And as Chris just mentioned,